Hello, my name's Richard. Welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a video of one of our fully prepared cars. This is our stunning 2014 64 plate Audi A3. It's the 1.4 TFSI engine. It's got the cylinder on demand engine, the superb for economy. £20 road tax. Car's only covered 14,000 miles by one private owner with full service history. We've just had the car MOT'd and serviced. The car's finished in glacier white pearlescent paint. £4,000 worth of factory options. Hopefully straight away you'll notice it does have the opening glass panoramic sunroof, which is a lovely option which does contrast nice. It's got the satellite navigation as an option, which you can see there. It also has a lovely feature. It has front and rear parking sensors, which is the Parking Plus, and it also has a rear parking camera as well to go with it. The car, as I said, has the satellite navigation. It also has DAB radio, Bluetooth music streaming, Bluetooth phone preparation. And we'll just move around the back of the car. You can see it does have the LED rear lights. It also has LED daytime running lights on the front with bi-xenon headlights as well. The car benefits from automatic lights and automatic rain wiper sensors. It does have the self-dimming rear view mirror, multi-function steering wheel with your volume controls and various other controls to the onboard computer, and it also has cruise control, this model. Being an S-Line, it does have the half-leather S-Line embossed sport seats. When you look through we look through the passenger window at the moment, you will notice that. The car's got unmarked 18-inch alloys all the way round. They're the double-spoked alloy wheels. And it's got the start-stop function. As I said earlier, this is the cylinder on demand engine, very frugal on the fuel, and only £20 road tax. Just moving around the front, you will pick up the LED running lights as well, and you'll see the front parking sensors there. If you'd like any further information, please give us a call 01206 512 20.